In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off double opt-in in Klaviyo so your subscribers can join your list more quickly. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more email marketing tips. Start at the Klaviyo homepage. On the left-hand menu, click Audience. This is where all your lists and segments are managed. Next, select Lists and Segments to see all your current lists. Choose the list for which you want to turn off double opt-in. Once your list is open, look for the Settings tab at the top of the screen and click it. Within Settings, navigate to the Consent section. Here you will see options related to how your audience can opt into your emails. Under opt-in process, you will find a toggle between double opt-in and single opt-in. Simply select single opt-in. This change allows new subscribers to join your list with just one confirmation step, making it quicker and easier for them to subscribe. Finally, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. This ensures your list now uses single opt-in and reduces friction during the subscription process. Remember, while single opt-in simplifies sign-ups, double opt-in can help maintain a more engaged and accurate subscriber base. Choose what's best for your audience and compliance needs. And that's it. You now know how to turn off double opt-in in Klaviyo and streamline your subscriber onboarding.